Hey everyone, Linus here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the computer mouse. This unassuming device has revolutionized how we interact with computers, making them accessible to everyone. From the first clunky prototypes to today's sleek and sophisticated models, the mouse has come a long way. Imagine a world without a mouse. Navigating a computer screen would be a tedious task, relying solely on keyboard commands. Thankfully, we have the mouse, a simple yet ingenious invention that brought the digital world to our fingertips. No longer bound by text-based interfaces, we could now point, click, and drag our way through operating systems, applications, and the internet. The mouse's impact extends beyond personal computing. It has fundamentally shaped fields like graphic design, video editing, and gaming, enabling precision and control previously unimaginable. The mouse's intuitive design has become second nature to millions worldwide, blurring the lines between the physical and digital realms. Join me as we explore the fascinating history of the computer mouse, its inner workings, and the evolution of this iconic device that continues to shape our digital interactions. Get ready for a wild ride through the world of clicks, scrolls, and cursors. The journey of the computer mouse began in the 1960s with the invention of the first prototype by Douglas Engelbart. This early version was a wooden shell with two metal wheels, a far cry from the sleek designs we see today. Over the decades, the mouse has undergone numerous transformations, from the introduction of the ball mouse to the optical and laser mice. Each iteration brought about significant improvements in precision and usability. The advent of wireless technology further revolutionized the mouse, freeing users from the constraints of cables and allowing for greater flexibility and convenience. In recent years, the gaming industry has pushed the boundaries of mouse technology even further. High-performance gaming mice now come equipped with customizable buttons, adjustable DPI settings, and even RGB lighting to enhance the gaming experience. Beyond gaming, the mouse remains an essential tool in professional settings. Whether you're designing intricate graphics, editing videos, or simply navigating through spreadsheets, the mouse's precision and ease of use are unparalleled. As we look to the future, the computer mouse continues to evolve. With emerging technologies like gesture control and haptic feedback, the possibilities are endless. Who knows what the next generation of mice will bring? So the next time you click, scroll, or drag, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey of the computer mouse. It's more than just a peripheral, it's a gateway to the digital world. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the mighty mouse. Stay tuned for more tech adventures. Picture this. It's 1964. The Beatles are topping the charts and the world is on the cusp of a technological revolution. Enter Douglas Engelbart, a visionary engineer at the Stanford Research Institute who would forever change the course of computing history.
Engelbart's brainchild? A humble wooden box with two metal wheels protruding from its base. This unassuming contraption, dubbed the XY position indicator for a display system, would later be affectionately nicknamed the mouse due to its long tail-like cord. This early prototype was far from the sleek devices we know today. It was bulky, cumbersome, and relied on a complex system of wheels and potentiometers to track movement. But despite its limitations, the mouse's potential was undeniable. It offered a natural and intuitive way to interact with computers, paving the way for the graphical user interfaces we take for granted today.
Engelbart's invention remained largely unknown outside research circles for several years. However, the seeds of a revolution had been sown. The mouse was poised to break free from the confines of the laboratory and into the hands of everyday users. The 1970s witnessed the rise of personal computers, making computing accessible to a wider audience. This era marked a significant shift from large room-sized mainframes to smaller, more affordable machines that individuals could use in their homes and offices. However, these early machines still relied heavily on text-based interfaces. Users had to memorize complex commands and navigate through text-heavy screens, which could be daunting for the average person. It wasn't until Xerox PARC's Alto computer in the early 1970s that the mouse found its true calling. The Alto introduced a revolutionary concept, a graphical user interface, or GUI, which allowed users to interact with their computers in a more visual and intuitive way.
The Alto, considered a pioneer in personal computing, incorporated a graphical user interface and a mouse. This combination was groundbreaking, as it shifted the paradigm from text-based commands to visual icons and windows. This combination proved revolutionary, allowing users to interact with on-screen objects directly. Instead of typing commands, users could now point, click, and drag icons and windows, making the computing experience more intuitive and user-friendly. The mouse's ability to point, click, and drag made navigating the Alto's interface intuitive and efficient. This new method of interaction reduced the learning curve and made computers accessible to a broader audience. However, the Alto's high cost limited its reach to research labs and universities. Despite its innovative features, the Alto was not commercially viable for the average consumer. It wasn't until the arrival of the Apple Lisa in 1983 and the Macintosh in 1984 that the mouse gained mainstream adoption. These computers brought the graphical user interface and the mouse to the masses, revolutionizing personal computing. Apple's computers, with their user-friendly interfaces and bundled mice, introduced millions to the power of graphical computing. The Macintosh in particular became a cultural icon, symbolizing the dawn of a new era in technology.
These early mice were predominantly mechanical, relying on a rolling ball housed within the base to detect movement. The ball's movement was translated into electrical signals that the computer could understand. As the ball rolled, it rotated two internal rollers, which in turn generated electrical signals. These signals were then processed by the computer to move the cursor on the screen. These signals were then translated into cursor movement on the screen. This mechanical process, while ingenious, had its own set of challenges and limitations. While these mechanical mice were a significant improvement over earlier input devices, they had their quirks. The rolling ball tended to accumulate dirt and grime, which could interfere with the mouse's performance. The rolling ball tended to accumulate dirt and grime, requiring regular cleaning for optimal performance. Users often had to disassemble the mouse to clean the ball and rollers, a task that could be tedious and time-consuming. Despite their limitations, mechanical mice ushered in a new era of computing, making computers more accessible and enjoyable to use. They played a crucial role in the evolution of personal computing, paving the way for the advanced input devices we use today. Section 4, clicking into the optical era. As technology progressed, so did the humble mouse. The late 1990s witnessed a significant shift from mechanical to optical mice. This transition was fueled by advancements in optical sensor technology, allowing for more precise and reliable tracking. Unlike their mechanical predecessors, optical mice didn't rely on moving parts. Instead, they used an LED and a small camera to track movement. The LED illuminated the surface beneath the mouse, while the camera captured images of the surface thousands of times per second. By analyzing the changes in these images, the mouse could accurately determine its movement. This optical tracking method offered several advantages over mechanical mice. Optical mice were less prone to dirt and debris interference, resulting in smoother and more consistent tracking. Moreover, optical mice could track on various surfaces, eliminating the need for dedicated mouse pads. This newfound versatility made them ideal for use with laptops and on the go. The transition to optical technology marked a significant milestone in the evolution of the mouse, setting the stage for even more advanced and innovative designs. Section 5, evolution of features from balls to lasers. The journey of the computer mouse has been nothing short of revolutionary, transforming from a simple mechanical device to a sophisticated piece of technology. The early 2000s witnessed an explosion of innovation in mouse design. This period marked a significant shift as manufacturers began to explore new possibilities and push the boundaries of what a mouse could do. Manufacturers constantly pushed the boundaries, introducing new features and technologies to enhance precision, comfort, and functionality. The focus was not just on making the mouse more accurate, but also on making it more comfortable for users who spent long hours at their computers.
One notable advancement was the introduction of laser mice. This innovation marked a significant leap forward in tracking technology. These mice utilized a laser instead of an LED to illuminate the tracking surface. The use of laser technology allowed for more precise tracking and better performance on a variety of surfaces. Laser light, being more focused and coherent than LED light, allowed for even greater precision and sensitivity. This meant that users could enjoy smoother and more accurate cursor movements, which was particularly beneficial for tasks that required high precision.
Laser mice excelled at tracking on various surfaces, including glossy and uneven surfaces that posed challenges for traditional optical mice. This versatility made them a popular choice for a wide range of users. This enhanced tracking precision made laser mice particularly popular among gamers and graphic designers who demanded the utmost accuracy. For these users, the ability to have precise control over their cursor was crucial for their work and play.
Beyond tracking technology, mouse design also saw significant improvements. The focus shifted to creating a more user-friendly experience. Manufacturers began incorporating new materials and ergonomic designs to enhance comfort and reduce strain during extended use. This was particularly important for users who spent long hours at their computers, as it helped to prevent repetitive strain injuries.
Scroll wheels evolved from simple click-based mechanisms to smooth scrolling wheels with tilt functionality for horizontal scrolling. This made it easier for users to navigate through long documents and web pages. Additional buttons, strategically placed for easy access, became commonplace, allowing users to customize their mouse for specific tasks and applications. This customization made the mouse a more versatile tool, capable of handling a wide range of tasks.
These advancements showcase the mouse's evolution beyond a simple pointing device to a versatile tool that could be tailored to individual needs and preferences. The modern mouse is a testament to how far technology has come, offering a blend of precision, comfort, and functionality that meets the demands of today's users.